Hi guys, today I'm gonna be doing a full face under $50, just like this. So if you wanna know how to do a full face under $50 and the products, then keep watching. So first things first, I have to put my bangs out of my way because they are like annoying me right now. So first things first is primer. I got this primer from Target. It's the mattifying primer, OXX. This was, let me see, $2. Okay, I'm gonna put some on my nose. And some on my eyes. Now I'm gonna wait for it to dry. This is actually such a steal. I remember when I bought it, it was like $4 or something, but now I checked, it's like $2, so amazing. I feel like it's okay. It's not the best ever primer, but like it does something, so yes. Okay. Okay, I think that it has dried. Now I'm gonna go in with some powder. I just do these steps so that my makeup can last longer because I have oily skin, so my makeup tends to just slide off. So, yep. Okay, so this powder, by the way, this powder was $4. It's the Vitamin C pressed powder by OXX. I'm gonna put it on my nose. And also my eyes, because my eye makeup also likes to come off easily. Okay, so the next step is foundation. This one was from Aldi. It's the foundation with SPF. It's $8. So I'm just gonna put it on my face. You know, like those people use like that spatula. I just try and like do that with my hands because I don't have one. It's fine. That's okay. It's raining outside right now. Wow. Okay. That was not needed. But you know what? TMI. Let's do it. Yes, I use my fingers. I hope that's okay. I don't know, I just can't be bothered to like clean my brushes.
Sorry, my fingers.
I don't think I added any on my nose. I'm gonna grab a bit more, put it on my nose. Okay. That's that. Now we're gonna go in with our Silk Finish concealer. This was, let me check how much it was. This was $6. This is quite expensive for how small it is, but still, it works really well. I think this is worth it. I'm gonna put it a little bit under my eyes. So yeah, I mean, luckily I only have to use it like under my eyes, so like I don't have to waste that much of the product, luckily, because it's like it's kind of pricey considering how small it is, bruh. Anyway, I'm gonna now I'm gonna blend it out. I'm gonna do egg yolk style, maybe, hence I don't know, I'm leaving my bags. They're not bags, they're like the cute eye bags. That, it's like, it's different. It's different. Okay, sorry. I normally use a like a brown pencil eyeliner, but today we're gonna use eyeshadow because we have to stay under the budget. Okay, now I look very like not tired. Okay. Let me just tick off the ones we've used. We've used foundation, pressed powder. Yes. Now I'm going to go over some of the places with some powder to make it last longer, and I go over it again over my eye makeup to make it last even longer because my skin is so greasy. Like, you have to understand, okay? My nose is so white right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just gonna like dust off my nose a little bit. Like, my nose is like full of powder right now. Okay. Okay. Now we can start the rest of the actual like fun part. I think the eyes are the fun part. So yeah, by the way, I didn't need to put any on my forehead because I have bangs, so that's good. I could like save like half of my face, kind of half of my face of the product, which is kind of nice. Anyway, we're gonna just start with the eye makeup now. So I've recently been into kind of like a gyaru, kind of. I don't even know if it is considered gyaru makeup, so please don't come at me. Oh, this is, by the way, this is the bronzer. I'm using a bronzer here. This is the powder bronzer. It's $6 as an eyeshadow right now because I like the pigment as an eyeshadow. I like it a lot, so that's why I use it as an eyeshadow. Been kind of doing like a gyaru eyeliner type of thing moment, so I don't know if it's actually gyaru makeup, but it's kind of similar to it. So now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. So it's from BYS. It's $5. Hold on, I need to grab like a small mirror or something because like I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try and grab a small mirror. I found my little mirror. I'm gonna use this to apply my eyeliner in the kind of the style I've been doing lately. I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of complicated, but you can see maybe. It's not this. This is not it. This is only half of the eyeliner, by the way. This is only half of the eyeliner. This, guys, is only half of the eyeliner. I'm going with more. I always mess this up, so I'm gonna have to go in with my wet wipe and fix it, but kind of like this. I'm gonna have to fix it, by the way. Oh my god, yep, I have to fix it. I messed up completely. If you're asking me how messed up I did, I messed up completely. I really messed it up. So I'll go in with it and fix it.
I'm gonna try to fix up this side.
Okay, I think that's good enough. It's kind of like a gyaru type of look. I don't know. But yeah, I took some inspirations from gyaru, let's just say. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyelash curler, and I'm gonna curl my lashes. Ooh, do you see that? Oh my gosh, my lashes, they're finally seen. If I don't curl them, you can't see them. Lol, but like for real. Round of applause for that. Now I'm gonna take my mini Vaseline. I always use this as my mascara because it's easy to remove and it keeps them up kind of. This one was $2.50. Put a bit on my hand and then I do this. Is that really amazing? That's great. Just did that. Oh, I forgot to do powder before my eyelashes, so now I'm gonna have to be really careful with my powder. I'm gonna powder my eyeliner and eyeshadow. Oh, hold on. Hold on. There's something there that should not be there. There we go. Oh my god, some of it came off. Whatever. That's the look so far. Okay, I'm just gonna take off some more things that we've done. Okay, now now let's do some overall bronzer for the face. We'll go in back again with this one. I have kind of chubby cheeks. Not ashamed of it, but like, I don't know if it does anything. I hope it did something. You're supposed to do your job, bronzer. I use a bit more. I feel like that kind of did something. Maybe. Anyway. Now for my blush and my lip color, I'm gonna go with this Blackberry Shine lip balm. This is $3.50. I'm gonna put on my lips first. And as a blush, let's go. I look very interesting right now. Blend it out. Ooh, that's cute. I'm gonna now do a bit of my egg yolk. I'm gonna go with my this eyeshadow palette. I got this from Aldi. I think it's when it was like in its very like small cost price. It was $9, I remember. I'm gonna go in with a brown and do my egg yolk. Yep. Like yourself. And we're also gonna go with a bit more, sorry, this is all over the place. We're gonna go with a bit more contour on my nose to kind of sharpen my nose just a little bit. Okay. Now we're gonna go with highlighter. So for highlighter in this palette, conveniently, there are also shimmery shades. So we're gonna use this shade right here for the highlighter and things like that. So that is really helpful. As you can see, it does something. It's not the best highlighter in the world, but you know what? It works. It passes the test. So yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit in the corners. Woo! Cute, right? I think that's basically it. I don't think I missed any steps. Let me just make sure I didn't miss any steps, and I'll keep going. Okay, so the only step that's left is to set the face. I'm gonna be using my setting powder for this, because my setting spray, I don't have a cheap setting spray. I mean, I have one from Mecca. It's like a cheaper option from Mecca, but there are ones that are like less than $10. I haven't finished my one, so I will buy that after I finish my one. So I'm gonna press my whole, and also I don't really use setting spray, honestly, to be honest, because most of the time I don't really put on foundation. I mostly just do eye makeup. So yeah, I'm just gonna press my whole face. That's that, bruh. That's basically it. I'm gonna take my bangs out so that I look normal again. That's it. Gyaru. That's it. This is the makeup. This is the finished look. Yeah, this is the finished look. I think it's quite cute. So this just shows that you don't need a lot of money to be able to do makeup, and honestly most days I just do eyeliner and my eyelashes, and that's really it, and that's probably like $10 or less. That's probably less than $10. So there you go. So that will take off a lot of money pressure for you, I hope, but you can do a full face for less than $50. So yeah, that's it. I really hope that helps someone, and yeah, see you guys next time.